Alright, good evening everyone. SirSniperJim here from the 643 box break site. Quick titanium bin. So we're now into August 17th, 12:41 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Our participants in this break, a few newcomers, welcome to the break. We got Pat Burns 2, Alex, UGA Hockey, Crow, Oxmav, DJ Noel's Mom, Blue Nose, Golf Nut, welcome back Todd. Crow had Detroit free, D. Lashinsky, Tynum82, Aeronome 2, Tofu Hockey had the Senators. Ryan's 2111. Welcome, you got the Sharks. And Sask Rider 18 with the Capitals. So it's a quick break of titanium. We'll pick our free team for the next bin, as well as we'll get spot number 1 and 2 for bonus box break 21. If you're in bonus box break 20 and you haven't voted for the product, please do so. Voting will end on Sunday, and we'll do the random and break early next week. So box number titanium, as stated in the description, ending in 2387. Sorry guys, a little blog fail here. Everyone good? Let me know if you guys are good and we'll start breaking. Perfect. We have Rogers putting in new lines here. Alright, here we go. Good luck to everyone. So all the hits will be mailed out. If you'd like any of the base, let me know. Box empty. Alright, pack number 1. Kessel base, Franzen base for the New York Islanders. And Aeronome 2, Game Worn Gear, Calvin DeHaan. And Danny Heatley base. Stamkos, Blake Wheeler. Game Worn Gear for the Nashville Predators and Crow, Shea Weber. Luke Adam base. Claude Giroux base. Lundqvist base. Numbered 4/25, Rookie Reserve Prime Auto for the Vancouver Canucks and Crowalicious, Cody Hodgson. Congrats, Crow. Getzlaf base. Montoya base. Joe Thornton base. New Wave Auto for the Toronto Maple Leafs and Crowalicious. Got Carl Gunnarsson. Spacer, Yager base, and final pack. Gaborik base, Mike Smith base, TJ Oshie base, and our final card, another game-worn gear, this one for the LA Kings, and Crowlicious cleaned up in this break, Jonathan Quick. Alright, 2 quick bonuses. Free team in the next bin will be the Winnipeg Jets. So Crow, you got the Jets free in my next bin. And our 2 free spots, so spot number 1 and spot number 2 bonus box break 21. Owner of the Edmonton Oilers will get spot number 1, bonus box break 21, and that is D. Lashinsky. Spot for you, bonus box break 21. And second one, the Detroit Red Wings. That is Crow. So 2 of you get the first 2 spots, bonus box break 21. Bonus box break 20, voting for the box will end on Sunday. Randoms will be done Monday. Break will be done either Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So that ends it for me, guys. Thanks a lot. Thanks for your patience. Hope you enjoyed the break. And I'll talk to you guys later.